Have you ever wondered what makes a business tick? What are the basic elements that form the backbone of any successful enterprise? Let's break it down to the basics. Every thriving business, big or small, is built on the foundation of 5 key elements. Picture your favorite coffee shop, a bustling hub of productivity, and let's explore these elements using it as our guide. First, the heart of the business lies in the idea. It's the spark that ignites the flame, the concept that brings something unique to the table. In our coffee shop example, it's not just about serving coffee, it's about creating an experience. Next comes the planning stage, where the idea is shaped and refined into a workable blueprint. Then, we move on to finance, the lifeblood that keeps the business running. The fourth element, marketing, is all about reaching the right people, at the right time, with the right message. Lastly, we have operations, the daily grind that turns the idea into reality. So, every successful business starts with a solid foundation, the business basics. Every business starts with an idea. But what makes an idea a good one? Let's delve into the core of business creation. The birthplace of any successful venture is a unique, viable business idea. But what does that mean? Imagine you're standing in the rain, desperately trying to hail a taxi. Suddenly, a thought crosses your mind. Wouldn't it be great if a ride could come to you at the tap of a button? This is exactly how Uber was born. A simple yet innovative concept that turned the traditional taxi industry on its head. It wasn't just about creating an app, it was about solving a real-world problem with the power of technology. A good business idea is like a seed. It needs the right environment to grow and flourish. It's not enough to be unique, it must also be viable. Uber didn't just introduce a new concept, they presented a practical solution that people could use in their everyday lives. They took a common frustration and turned it into a business opportunity. That's the essence of viability. Furthermore, it's crucial to remember that a good business idea is always in tune with market demand. You could have the most innovative concept in the world, but if there's no demand for it, it's like a tree falling in the forest with no one around to hear it. Uber succeeded because it tapped into a real need. People wanted a more convenient, reliable way to get from point A to point B, and Uber provided just that. So how do you come up with a good business idea? Start by observing the world around you. Identify problems that need solving. Think about how you can use your skills and resources to provide a solution. Be creative, be innovative, but above all, be practical. In conclusion, a business idea is more than just a spark of inspiration. It's a calculated blend of innovation, practicality, and market demand. It's about identifying a gap in the market and filling it with a unique solution that people want and need. Remember, a good business idea is a blend of innovation, practicality, and market demand. Having a great idea is just the start. Bringing it to life requires a structured plan. A business plan isn't just a document, it's the roadmap to your venture's success. It's the sequence of steps you need to take to transform your idea into a thriving business. Think of it as the GPS guiding your journey. You wouldn't set off on a cross-country road trip without mapping your route, would you? The same goes for your business. A well-structured plan outlines your destination, the best route to get there, and the resources you'll need along the way. Now let's talk about some of the key components of a business plan. First up is market research. This involves identifying your target customers, understanding their needs, and figuring out how your product or service can meet those needs. It's about asking the right questions and digging deep for answers. Who are your customers? What do they want? How can you deliver that to them? Next, we have competitor analysis. This means studying your rivals to understand their strengths and weaknesses. It's about learning from their successes and failures and figuring out how you can do things better. Consider Tesla, for example. They didn't just jump into the electric vehicle market blindfolded. They meticulously studied their competitors, understood the market gaps, and positioned their products to fill those gaps. Lastly, we have financial projections. This is where you crunch the numbers. How much will it cost to start and run your business? What are your revenue goals? How long will it take for you to break even? These are crucial questions that need answers. Tesla's strategic planning is a great example of this. They didn't just say, let's build electric cars. They laid out a detailed plan, outlining their short-term and long-term goals, their target market, their competition, and their financial projections. And look where they are today. In conclusion, a business plan is not just a document, but a tool for success. It's a blueprint that guides your business and helps you stay on track. It's also a selling tool that can attract potential investors. A well-structured plan not only guides the business but also attracts investors. So remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a well-structured plan. Money makes the world go round, and in business, it's no different. That's the reality we're dealing with. Finance is the bloodline of any business, the life force that keeps the gears turning and the lights on. Without it, even the most brilliant ideas and well-crafted plans are just that, ideas and plans. Let's delve into the importance of securing finance. Imagine you're embarking on a journey. You've got the map, you've got the destination, but without fuel in your tank, you're not going anywhere. Securing finance for your business is like fueling your vehicle for a long journey. It's necessary for kickstarting your business and keeping it running. And it's not just about having money, it's about managing it effectively. Consider your personal finances. If you spend recklessly, without keeping track of your income and expenses, you'll soon find yourself in hot water. The same principle applies to business. To illustrate this, let's take a look at one of the most successful companies in the world, Apple. It's not just their innovative products that have led to their success, it's their prudent financial management. They've been known to keep significant cash reserves. Why, you may ask? Well, having a safety net allows them to take calculated risks, invest in research and development, and weather economic downturns. It's like having an umbrella ready for a rainy day. Remember, in business, cash is king. Maintaining a positive cash flow, that is, ensuring more money is coming in than going out, is crucial. It allows you to meet your obligations, invest in opportunities, and provide a buffer against unexpected challenges. And don't forget about budgeting. It's a tool that helps you plan your finances, control your expenses, and measure your performance against your financial goals. Just like a GPS guides you on a journey, a budget guides you in managing your business finances. So, don't underestimate the power of finance in business. It's not just about the numbers, it's about making those numbers work for you, driving your business forward, and ultimately, achieving your business goals. Financial management is the lifeline of any business, ensuring its survival and growth. So, fuel your journey wisely and keep a close eye on that financial roadmap. You might have the best product or service, but what if nobody knows about it? This, my friends, is where the magic of marketing comes into play. Marketing, in its simplest form, is about telling the world about your business and what you've got to offer. It's about creating that vital connection between your product and the audience it is intended for. Let's take a look at a classic example, Nike. Their marketing isn't just about selling shoes or athletic apparel, it's about promoting a lifestyle. Nike's brilliant marketing strategy is built around the idea of inspiring people to take action, to strive for greatness. They consistently use powerful storytelling to evoke emotion and create a connection with their audience. Their iconic "Just Do It" slogan isn't just a catchy tagline, it's a call to action that resonates with people all over the world. But marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. What works for Nike might not work for your business, and that's okay. The key is to understand your target market, to know what they want and need, and to communicate how your product or service can meet those needs. Remember, marketing is more than just advertising. It's about creating value, building relationships, and making your business stand out in a crowded marketplace. It's about making sure that people not only know about your product, but also understand why they need it. So, whether you're a small business just starting out or a well-established corporation looking to expand, never underestimate the power of effective marketing. After all, successful marketing strategies make a business stand out in the crowded marketplace. Now that we have a plan, the finances and marketing strategies, how do we get the business running? Operations, my friends, are the actual doing part of a business. It's the engine that keeps the business vehicle moving forward. It's all about delivering your product or service to the customer in the most efficient and quality-assured way. Let's take a page from the book of Amazon, a titan in the realm of efficient operations. Amazon's operations are a marvel of modern logistics and quality control. They have warehouses strategically scattered across the globe, each one filled with products ready to be dispatched. When an order comes in, it's routed to the nearest warehouse. From there, the product is picked, packed, and shipped, often all within a matter of hours. This streamlined process ensures timely delivery, keeping customers happy and coming back for more. But Amazon's operations go beyond just speedy delivery. They are also deeply committed to quality control. Every product that passes through their hands undergoes rigorous checks to ensure it meets the company's high standards. This level of scrutiny helps maintain Amazon's reputation for quality, contributing to customer satisfaction. Operations, when done right, can become a key competitive advantage for your business. The goal is to create a smooth and efficient system that not only meets but exceeds customer expectations. Efficient operations contribute to customer satisfaction and repeat business. So, always remember, your operations are not just about doing, but about doing it right. So, we have unraveled the business basics, but how do they all fit together? Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We kicked off with the essence of business, where we discovered that a solid idea is the foundation of any thriving enterprise. Remember, your idea needs to solve a problem and offer value. Next up, we tackled the plan. This is your roadmap, outlining where you're going and how you're going to get there. It's the blueprint that guides your business decisions. Then, we talked finance. It's the fuel that propels your business forward. From startup costs to operational expenses, understanding your financial requirements is crucial. We also touched on marketing, the voice of your business. It's how you communicate your value to the world. Finally, we delved into operations, the engine room of your business, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Business basics are the fundamental building blocks that shape every successful enterprise. Understanding these will give you a head start in your entrepreneurial journey.